Today, guys, I have a bunch of fidgets. First two fidget spinners. Next two, whatever these things are. I don't know what these are, but I just know that you can scratch them, and they're fun. Next one, marble mesh. Next one, fidget spinner. Dog bone fidget spinner. Next one, another swirly fidget spinner. Next one, snap it. Okay, next one, dinosaur fidget. Dinosaur pop it. Okay, listen. Okay, next one, mushy poo. Earth ball. Next one, Nerf football. Off-brand, really off-brand mini Nerf football. Need a minute, wait a bit. Oh yeah, next one, butterfly pop it. There. Okay, we got all these mushy balls. To you guys, my back door looks like nothing to you, right? It just looks like a bunch of whiteness. So we got a bunch of wacky tracks. The next one, pop it. Pop it. Done. Okay, we have mini popsicle. This one has a bite in it, but it's mini. I have two popsicle poppets. Make sure to check out my other two channels, Mike's Mini Man Cave Gaming on console, Mike's Mini Man Cave Gaming, which I game on my computer. Next one, I don't know if you can see this, but there's little letters on it. Let's see if it feels. Oh, it feels quite nice. Oh, that sounds so good. Okay, next one. Marble mesh. Another marble mesh. Next one. And I don't know if this is a wacky track. This is a wacky track. And if I'm wrong, comment you're wrong and comment what the type of what fidget is this. But it does look like a wacky track and it does feel like one. Next one. Ball. Okay, next one. Basketball. Next one, Among Us Puppet. Next one of these weird ones, wacky tracks. I'm just gonna call these wacky tracks. And if I'm wrong, just what I said before. Now we got a mushy. We got a mushy. No, I'm just gonna make you stare at this for like 2 minutes. Okay, and this is the bag I put all my fidgets in. Let's stuff it up. Now, time to zip it up in slow motion. And that's it for today, guys. Subscribe and like and comment